Hi everyone, how you doing? JTest ASMR here, back with another Wednesday update. It's kind of like I'm vlogging, it seems like every single week now. um, but yeah, I've got some Hubba Bubba, seriously strawberry, chunky and bubbly. There are other flavours that I prefer, but these were the first ones I saw on the shelf, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to get some Hubba Bubba for a change. I haven't had Hubba Bubba for ages. The only reason I don't chew it is because well, it's crammed full of sugar, and I know a lot of people are going to be like, it doesn't matter, or sugar's good for you, or some bullshit like that. But the way I look at it is, you know, I suppose if you brush your teeth every night, you're fine. But there you go. Chewing my mouth. Now quite chunky though. I made a mistake here. Yeah. Bear with. Oh my god, I think I made a mistake putting two. It's been so long since I've had Hubba Bubba. I used to chew it all the time when I was a kid, but I was very thick. Chunky, sorry. Okay, that's a bit better now. So, I didn't actually think I'd be doing a video today. Carol's not been well these past couple of days. Flu, I think. I think it's flu because it's got all the symptoms. And she's really felt like tired and wanting to be in bed. Although she hasn't been in bed, but she's been wanting to be in bed. Feeling very tired. And that. And what don't help is her son being off as well for half term. So, I mean, she's recovering now. So her son and Ruby have gone to Swimming World, like they do every Wednesday. And she lost £2, by the way, just in case you're interested. But yeah, so because obviously she's not been very well, She asked me this morning, she said, should I go to Slimming World? So I said to her, well, if you don't go, it's going to be a bit of a pain, because obviously I upload every Wednesday morning, at least. But on the flip side of the coin, don't go out making yourself feel any worse. If you're really not feeling up to it, don't bother going. Just don't worry. But she ended up deciding to go. So that's basically where she is now. See, because I uploaded, when was it? Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. The video that I uploaded last night, I actually done a couple of days ago and forgot about it. I done it about 2-3 days ago. It was night time. All the kids were in bed and me and Carol was kind of chilling out. And she had some videos to do. I had videos to do. So done it, forgot about it. Come across it last night and thought, oh shit, I better upload that. So I uploaded it last night. That's why you will find a video from me yesterday, but I didn't do it yesterday. Last week sometime, I think, actually. Might have even been Saturday or Sunday last week I done that video. I was like, oh my god, it's Wednesday. Well, Tuesday night when I uploaded it. Yeah, but because I done that video, I kind of ran out of things to say today. I told you that I went up to my dad's to get all that bedding for my stepson. I told you that bit. Maybe I was supposed to bubbles. I was watching a video. Well, I've been watching a video for a while. It was like loaded years ago. By a guy called Eat Bitch Eat. Formerly known as Choose. Well, I think he's gone back to Choose now. And I keep going back to it because I love the gum chewing that he does. But he said someone left a comment down below and said, do you like to blow the bubbles? And because Choose had a mic there, he said, I don't usually blow the bubbles, I just do it on occasion. And he blew a bubble, and he said, but I won't do it because it's probably too loud on the microphone, and I apologise. Also, done another video. Apparently we went into this restaurant because he lives in Chicago, Illinois. Is it Chicago? Yeah, Chicago he lives in. And he's we went to a particular restaurant, and apparently he was saying that the woman behind the till was like, can I help you, sort of thing, you know. And he was kind of like, no dear, you can't help me. You can help yourself to another job. I found that so funny. I really did. And we did actually exchange phone numbers, and we used to ring each other and like FaceTime each other for a little while when you choose. Like, even when I used to say to him about it, and he was kind of like, I said, oh, when you said that, help yourself to another job. I started laughing, and he had a straight face. He was like, yeah, I know. But I can kind of understand where he's coming from. Because take it from someone who has worked in supermarkets for 13 years like I did. I was a fishmonger and butcher, just in case you're interested. Yeah, I worked in Asda for 13 years. So I used to come across hundreds of customers on a daily basis. And like, if you don't smile, or you're not at least pleasant towards the customer, how's the customer going to feel? They're going to feel like, oh my God, what's he doing working here? You know, he shouldn't be working here. Oh, really, you should greet them. So, excuse me, love, or whatever. You greet them, say, oh, hello, madam, how are you? How are you? Oh, could you tell me where whatever is? Instead of just pointing, oh, yeah, it's over there, it's down R34. Take them to the product. Don't just point. I basically take them to the product. Ask them if that's what they're looking for, or was there another particular one they were looking for. Ask if there's anything else. I mean, ask closing gesture like, have a good day, goodbye, simple. But you're meant to be pleasant, if not smile as well. But for someone who is like, can I help you? You know what I mean? I would probably be a bit annoyed as well, but like, you know, I go into a few shops and I don't mean this offensively, and this is not directed towards anyone, and I mean it's not directed towards anyone. But there are shops I've been to, and they kind of give you the look as to say, kind of like, what are you doing in here? You don't deserve to be in here. And they're up their own arse. But it's not just one, it's like the whole shop. And you're just like, it's basically, I think, if your face fits. Basically, if your face fits, you're welcome in there. Oh, yeah. And it's always the same bunch of silly little girls that work in there. You know, typical townies who look at you as though, you know, they would just you're a piece of shit on their shoe, which pisses me off really, because I just can't stand people who are up their own arse. I'm not going to say that I haven't been rude to people. I'm not going to say there's been a particular customer who's just blatantly been rude to me and I haven't been rude back, because I'm not going to take that. But just when you've done fuck all wrong and they decide to be like, oh, what are you doing in our shop, sort of thing, or sort of, dig you up and down. I'm like, you're looking at me up and down. You're wearing so much makeup, so much mascara, so much lipstick, and you've got the audacity to look up and down at me. You're so fake. You know what I mean? It's like, you're looking at me, but, you know, but you've got all that makeup on, all that lipstick, mascara, eyeliner, and everything else. You're so fake, it's unreal. But you're looking up and down at me. Okay. Never admitted to being anything good looking or handsome or Prince Charming, but you cannot sort of look me up and down when you're so fake. How about put your real face on, then come back to me? Yeah. So there you go. That's my daily moan over. Bit teared out. I do apologise for that. I must admit, sorry about that. I must admit, I have had people say to me, "Oh, could you do a gum chewing video of blowing bubbles?" I haven't done it for a long time. I don't particularly find it relaxing myself, blowing bubbles like. I don't find that really relaxing, but I do get a bit of a demand for that. Maybe I'll do one soon. I thought that was going to go horribly wrong. I did, I was chewing bubble gum one day, and it went over my glasses. And I was washing it underwater, and I was using glass wipes. I could not get that shit off my fucking glasses. It was a pain in the ass, and after additional treatment, I got all the crap off it. But I thought, oh my god, I'm never doing that again. Trying to get that stuff off your glasses, man, don't work. It does not work. I hate when you get stuck in your lips as well. We got these for Reby. Fozzie Rusks. Packed with 7 key vitamins and minerals, including iron and calcium. Each rusk is lovingly baked using baby grade ingredients. Experts in baking rusks for babies and toddlers. No artificial colours, flavours or preservatives. One rusk provides 20% of your baby's daily iron requirement. No GM ingredients and suitable for vegetarians. Rusks are a great way to gradually introduce your baby to solid foods. Simply crush in a bowl and mix with your baby's usual milk to form a puree for a first cereal, or mix with fruit puree, custard or yogurt for a dessert, or great as a delicious finger food to encourage self-feeding, biting, chewing and exploring new tastes as your baby develops. Oh yeah, that's what we've been doing. I can't show you what we brought because they've been gone, but we bought like fruit purees, like apple and banana and strawberries and something or other, just to get used to some fruit, because if Carol's anyone to go by, she'll be feeding her fruit, vegetables, all healthy stuff, which is good. Not got anything against that. Obviously we want it to be healthy. What do you think of my t-shirt, Kill Switch Engage? Something you might know about me, or you might not, is I do like my heavy metal music. I used to go around with all in black boots, black socks, black jeans, black t-shirt, or I say Kill Switch Engage, or Fight Star, or something like that. I don't know what happened to my Fight Star t-shirt. Oh well. Yeah. But yeah, I do like my heavy metal, my rock, emo, indie music, really. Kind of like my thing. I mean, I do like all sorts. I like all genres of music, from honest. My mum used to listen to fucking Capital Gold in the morning, 60s, 70s and 80s. So I know quite a lot of that. I mean, I was born in 85. So, some of that stuff was before my time. 60s, 70s and 80s. I grew up in the 90s with listening to a lot of I say the 90s, in 96, when I started senior school, I listened to quite a lot of garage. I used to enjoy garage, and pop and R&B, and that was really my sort of thing until one of the grunge boys, or metalers as they call them, used to came up to me and said, "Do you like Blink-182?" So I never listened to Blink-182. I said, "Right, we're going to bring in an album for you. Take it home, listen to it, and then give it back to us the following day." So the first album they got me was Blink-182, Enema of the State. And as soon as I turned it on, instantly hooked. Because I'd heard that sort of stuff before, but I wasn't sure really what it was. And then as I listened to it more, I was like, yeah, I really do like this. This is my sort of thing now. So I still liked garage and pop and stuff, but then I liked the grunge side as well. And ever since then I've been hooked, and I've listened to some heavy shit. I mean, really, really heavy shit, like likes of Young Strapping Lad, Meshuggah, Pantera, Mudvayne. Some really heavy shit what I like. But then I like Blink-182. Oh fuck me. There's so many I can name. There's too many to fucking mention. Maybe I'll do a video of all my favourite rock bands and emos and stuff. Maybe if you like to comment down below, you might be able to see that. Let me know if you want to see that. I'd happily do that with gum chewing or lolly or whatever, and we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, it's just 25 minutes now. I've just gone over 25 minutes, so I've taken up enough of your time. If you could do me a big favour, if you could click that subscribe button and the bell icon, give me a like, comment down below, and share with your friends and family. I would really appreciate that, because I'm very close to 1,000 now. I'm getting so dangerously close I can taste it. So yeah, if you could do that for me, that would be a really big help. And I can't wait to start uploading videos to you when I'm over 1,000. Anyway, guys, I am gonna shoot off, but I'll be back soon with a new video. Until then, ciao for now, guys. Mwah.